The Zyliss 4-in-1 Slicer and Grater allows you to perform multiple tasks with one easy-to-use tool. The SmoothGlide pusher has a unique wedge design to secure food in place without damaging. This slicer comes with 1mm and 3mm micro-serrated slicing blades that slice through tough and soft foods with ease, as well as 1 coarse and 1 fine acid-etched grating blades. The collapsible design allows for compact storage and quick cleanup, and the non-slip grip on the feet, bowl, rest, and handle keeps the slicer firmly in your hands. The Zyliss 4-in-1 Slicer and Grater is dishwasher safe and comes with a 5-year Zyliss Guarantee. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.zyliss.com.